Hello everyone. So as we know that we are solving top 50 array questions of Geek for Geeks. So today we are going to solve another question, which is this question: find the first non-repeating element in the given array of integers. Okay. So let's look at the question, that what this question is trying to say to us. Find a first non-repeating element in the given array ARR of n integers. Note, array consists of only positive and negative integers, not zero. Okay, fine. So we have to find the first element which is not repeating. Okay, so in this sample array, in this sample input, we can see that three is the only element, or we can say three is the first element which is not repeating in this array. Okay, so we have to find this. Fine. So uh, let's go to let's go to blank sheet and let's try to find out mine. So let's do something like this. Yeah. So input is something like this: -1, 2, -1, 3, and 2. And we have to find the first element which is not repeating. Okay. So how can we find out? So for that we can use first of all we can use hash map, and we can store how many times a particular element is repeating. Okay, so we are going to create a hash map. Fine. And we are going to run a loop. So we are at -1, so we are going to check that is -1 already available in the hash map. So no, it is not available. So we are going to save this, and until now -1 is available only one time. Okay, after that we are at 2. So we are going to check that is 2 already available in the hash map. So no, it is not. So we are going to save this, and until now 2 is only available at one time. Fine. After that we will be at -1. Okay, so we will check that is -1 already available in the hash map. So yes, it is already available. There you can see that it is already available. So what we will do, we will uh, increase the counter. Okay, we will increase how many times it is already available. So it is now available 2 times, right? After that we will be at 3. So we will check that is 3 already available in the hash map. So no, it is not. So we are going to save this into our hash map, and we are going to provide 1 because 3 is only present one time until now. Okay, after that we are going to be at 2. So we are going to check that is 2 already available in the hash map. Yes, it is already available. You can see here that it is already available. So we are going to increase the counter of this. Okay, so we are going to increase from 1 to 2. Okay, fine. And after that we have completed our iteration. So after the iteration, this is the hash map which we got. Okay, and after that we are going to run a loop again. Okay, we are going to run a loop again, and we are going to check that we are going to find the first element which whose value is equal to 1, who is only present only one time. Okay, so how we are going to do this? So let's find out. So in the iteration, we are going to be at -1 first of all. So we are going to check that what is the value of -1 in the hash map. Okay, so we can see that the value of -1 is 2. So we know that -1 is available 2 times in the array. Okay, so we are going to do nothing. We are going to be at 2 in next iteration. So we are going to check that how many times 2 is available in the array. So we will check in the hash map. So 2 is available 2 times in the array. Okay, so we are going to do nothing. We are going to next iteration. So in next iteration we are at -1. So we are going to check that how many times -1 is available in the hash map. Yeah. Where we will find this number. We will find this number in the hash map. So we can see that -1 is available 2 times. Okay, the value of -1 is 2 times here. You can see that. Okay, so we are going to skip this. Finally, we will be at 3, and when we will 3 we will search 3 into the hash map, then we will find that 3 is available only one time in the array. The value of 3 is 1 in the hash map. What does that mean? That means 3 is available only one time in the array. Okay, so we found our answer. So answer is going to be 3. Why? Because the value of 3 is only 1. Fine. So this is how we can find the first non-repeating element in the array. Okay, so let's go to the code editor and let's write the code for it. Okay, so we are at the code editor. So first of all, we what we have to do, we have to create a hash map. Okay, so hash map. After creating a hash map, what we are going to do, we are going to run a loop and we are going to store all the values in the hash map. Fine. And if it is not available in the hash map, then we are going to put this put this element and we are going to save 1 for now because it is only available one time until now. And if it is already available, then we are going to check how many times it is available. So we can find this from like this, and now we are going to update the value. So map dot put arri comma cur plus 1, and we have updated the value. Okay, and let's create a answer. For now it's 0. Fine. So after running this loop, what we are going to do, we are going to run a loop again. Okay, so it is going to start from 0 to n minus 1. Yeah, and we are going to check that is current element available in the hash map. Okay, and how many times it is available. If it is available only one time, then that is our answer. So we will do something like this. If map dot get error I is equal to 1, then this is our answer. So what we are going to do, we are going to save the ARRI into our answer, and we are going to break this loop because we don't need to go further because we have to find the first element which is non-repeating. After that we can comfortably return our answer. So let's run this code. Let's see that if our basic test cases are getting passed. Yes, our basic test cases are getting passed. So let's submit this code. Let's see. So we have successfully submitted this code. We have solved this question. So this is how you can solve this question. And next time we are going to solve the next question, which is sub array with equal 1 and 2s. Sorry, 1 and zeros. So until then, thank you so much.